How to add renter's insurance to Progressive. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can launch a preferred browser and search for progressive.com. If not, just automatically search for Progressive Help. Once you are in the official homepage of your Progressive account, firstly, you will have to log in into your account. Once you are logged in, at the very top, you will see the resources option. Select on it. In your resources at the bottom, you should find the option that is Chat Now. You can tap on it. If not, just click on the Contact Us button. Once you are in here, you can tap on the Chat Now button and select on Start Chat and type in about the addition of renters. If not, use the call option to call in the given toll-free number. The agent will walk you through the process and answer any question that you may have. Another one is to email regarding your inquiry. For this, you will have to fill out the following. The Progressive team will review your application and get back to you with a solution. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.